knew John. I knew it was 10 years ago. You asked me to tell you. That all this up. 12,000 pounds. Everything you need in the car. He's a damn good driver. He's one of the best. Oh.